In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how you can add your own custom ringtone to your iPhone. If you do find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for even more tips just like this. First, you want to make sure that you have an audio or sound file saved to your iPhone. The best website that I recommend to get these off of is going to be a website called Pixabay. To get on Pixabay, go ahead and click on the Safari icon and just search up Pixabay and hit enter, and then go to this first website right here. From here, scroll until you find the music section and then find whatever one you would like. In this case, I'm just going to choose a random one. We're going to go with So Fresh right here. Click on the little download icon and then hit download just like so. After downloading that, open up the App Store and go ahead and get an app called GarageBand. Search it up, hit download, and wait for it to install. Once it installs, open it up and turn your phone horizontal and hit continue, continue again, and hit allow. From here, go ahead and select tracks up at the very top and then scroll on this thing until you find audio recorder. Go ahead and click on that, hit allow again, and then tap the gear icon in the top right of your screen. Go ahead and turn off metronome count in, and then find the plus icon in the top right section of the screen and change this section A option to automatic. Then press this little metronome icon up at the top, and then this little loop icon right here to switch it to a microphone. Now next to the settings gear in the top right, there's going to be an actual loop looking icon. Select that, and then navigate to the Files tab up at the top. Hit Browse Items from the Files app and find whatever song you did just download. In this case, we're going to use this one, and it'll import it into GarageBand. From here, select it to confirm it's the right one, and then press and hold on it and drag it into GarageBand. From here, you can now edit it to get it to the specific part that you want, but whenever you get it to the part that you want, you just want to make sure that you drag that part up to the very front. When you're happy with it, go ahead and click on these lines and hit My Songs, and then go ahead and, once it finishes uploading, hit share on it and select ringtone, and then it may ask you to adjust the sizing. From there, go ahead and do that, but once you do so, go ahead and change the name of the ringtone to whatever you would like, hit done, and then hit export, and it'll now have that set to your ringtone. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.